Britcan Furnace Cleaning is a locally owned company that values customer service as its highest priority. Over the years, we have built a solid foundation for providing reliable, high-quality customer service at a reasonable price. Our areas of expertise include residential furnace and duct cleaning and indoor air quality solutions, as well as commercial property applications. By having a competent and knowledgeable service team, we are available day and night for emergency calls. We respect your home, from the planning stages of an installation to cleanliness during any visit. We respect your busy schedule, making sure to the best of our ability that we're on time every time. And we respect your trust, ensuring we work efficiently at the very highest standard.
Now, all the work is guaranteed. If there's any issues after the service, you can give us a call. It's a free service call to come back and put anything right. Excellent. And then this one will go down on your ductwork. Once again, it lists what we've done, who did it, when it's done, when it's due again. Phone number's right here if you have any issues. Okay.
Your Britcan installer or technician will explain everything as required and will conduct their work professionally and with the utmost courtesy. From installation to follow-up service, we want your experience with Britcan to be a very positive one. We encourage customer feedback and conduct a follow-up with each customer to ensure expectations are met and any questions are answered. For unsurpassed workmanship, attention to detail, and the willingness to go the extra mile to ensure all your needs are met, make Britcan Furnace Cleaning and More your company of choice.
And then we'll be about another 45 minutes.